Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change LinkedIn profile photo. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And now just go ahead to your LinkedIn account, which is open your LinkedIn application first. And if you want to change your profile picture, tap on this account icon at the top left in the corner and go ahead to your account. I'm gonna tap on my account, and if you want to change it, you just have to tap on this profile picture and it will be a pop-up at the bottom. You can choose this first option, which is view or edit profile photo. Just go ahead, and if you want to change it, we'll see here the update option. Just tap on it if you want to change the profile photo, and in this pop-up you can choose take a photo, which is open the camera and take a real photo to your profile photo, and also here the second, which is upload from photos. I'm gonna tap on it and it will be entered to the gallery, guys. I'm gonna choose the photo here. I'm gonna use this one, and after, if you want to save it, you just have to tap on the save button here at the top. And here at the bottom we'll see the option, which is for the straighten. We can also adjusting first, and also here you can also use the filters that provided by device like this. And after here for the adjusting, you can make adjustments for the brightness, contrast, and etc. And if you're done, you just have to tap on this save button at the top right. I'm gonna tap on it. We have to wait for a second, and yeah, this is the result, yeah guys. So I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to change profile photo in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.